Being a film critic in 2025 is really starting to scare the shit out of me. I mean, if Richard Roeper is accepting a buyout from the Chicago Sun-Times after a 37-year-long career, we're all doomed. Yes, this Richard Roeper. And yeah, I do video reviews, but the goal has always been to be a traditional print film critic, and that came true for a minute. I was writing for the Columbus Free Press. Now, it didn't pay the most, but my name was being published, and that meant a lot. Shameless plug, but if anyone still wants to read traditional film criticism, I do post all my reviews on X. I know a lot of you guys hate it, but let's be honest, that's where all the news breaks first. I'm not delusional. I know there's no way in hell I'm going to make it as a full-time traditional print critic in 2025 and beyond. So these videos better start doing well. So please like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I'm just kidding. Kind of.